Hey! In front of me is CUBOT Max 3, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now select System. Over here you need to select About Phone after scrolling down and click on Device Name. Finally, type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Zombie and tap on OK. Lastly, to save your changes, click on OK in this pop-up, and as you can see, after that, name of my CUBOT has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!